Hey guys, welcome back. We're doing a unboxing of this wake up light. Just received this. It's a simple manual here. It's got 20 levels, 67 levels of light color. All kinds of different adjustments you can make. We'll jump right in. So, looks like it's got some battery operation here, a USB output. That's nice. Some feet for it, I believe. Glad it's got a plug. Some other probably warranty information. Take the block out. See how... I don't know what that is. Maybe it's an antenna. This might look kind of small. I've got pretty large hands, but it fits fairly well in my hand there. See if I can slam those in. It looks like they may have given us 2 extra here for backups in case you lose them. Or at least 1 extra for... Oh no, there's 2. We got several function buttons on the top. Gonna unravel the cord here. Looks like you can plug straight into the USB. That's a USB output. We're gonna plug right into the charger here. See if my cord will reach. Give it some life. Oh, what do we have? I'll turn off the overhead light. And we have time. I'm going to turn this other light back on so we can see more of the functions that are directly on top. It looks like a power button here. It's really hard to record this with light and be able to see what you're doing as well. Again, the wake up manual will probably be the most advantageous thing to dig through when going through this. See the quick installation, install the stand, which we did. It looks like the button over here is the light brightness adjustment. There's a light switch, alarm setting, a snooze setting, a fall asleep setting, display brightness, time setting, FM tuning, which that's kind of what I thought this wire in the back was. That's likely the antenna. And USB output, FM antenna, which I pointed out, the micro USB, and a reset button coming down on the right hand side here. There's a nightlight function. I know this video isn't great on a demonstration as I typically like to do, but it's kind of difficult to see. Let's see, there's a kind of a mood setting or a night light setting, if you will. See, that's the on-off button in the middle. Let's see if I can just play around with it. Oh, that's nice. Got some crickets there. It looks like I just populated the clock again. Oops. Looks like I may have turned it off. Turn it back on, turn it off. Different setting. Well, as you can tell, there's a lot of options here that you can maneuver and make happen with this. I just unplugged it there. And you can obviously just use it as a typical alarm clock. I hope this video helps. You can find this item on my item description called the Wake Up Light. It'll be found in the description. If you have any questions, I hope this helps.